If you've been looking for simple, proven and tested, step-by-step methods for generating more leads for your small business, then listen to every word of this presentation. I want you to stop for a moment and think about all the advertising you've seen over the past week. How many of those actual ads can you name off? Researchers estimate that over the past 7 days, you've been exposed to as many as 117,000 ads based on national averages. So out of 117,000 ads, how many can you name? Of the few ads you do remember, how many of their products or services have you bought? I'll admit that I personally love the E-Trade baby commercials, I think they're a scream. But I don't have an E-Trade account. Never have, never will. What benefits do they offer me as a buyer of online trading services that any of hundreds of other stock trading services offer? See my point? Does a smart aleck, wisecracking baby have any relevance to online stock trading whatsoever? Of course not. Businesses today are led to believe that all they have to do to build a successful business is create some type of attention-grabbing form of marketing, and they'll generate leads at will. Well, nothing could be further from the truth, and that's just in the area of marketing. What about generating fast cash flow? Every small business needs to generate cash flow. So how do you do that as a small business owner? What about generating profits? Generating cash flow is great, but not if you don't get to put any of it in your pocket at the end of the day. How would you like the answers to all of these problems? So listen up. I'm going to reveal to you our 4-step process for generating immediate cash flow from your marketing. It's called our conversion equation. First, you must understand what marketing is supposed to do. Its purpose is actually threefold. Its first job is to capture the attention of your target market. Second, it must give them hope that reading or listening to your marketing will give them enough information to help them make the best decision possible when buying whatever you sell. In other words, train and teach them how to recognize the true value of your product or service and conclude that you, and you alone, offer the best value versus your competition. Marketing's third job is to lower the risk of taking the next step in the buying process. Marketing that accomplishes these three objectives will result in your prospects and customers coming to one single conclusion, that they'd have to be an absolute fool to do business with anyone else but you, regardless of price. Our marketing equation has 4 main components. First, we must interrupt your prospects. We must get your qualified prospects to pay attention to your lead generation marketing. The interrupt is done through our headline if your marketing is in print, or it's the first thing that you say if you're marketing through radio or TV. The second component is engage. Once your prospect is interrupted, it's critical we give your reader the promise that information is forthcoming that will help the prospect make the best buying decision possible. This is the job of our subheadline. The interrupt is our headline that highlights a specific problem that your prospects are looking for a solution to, and the engage is our subheadline that promises them that you offer a solution to the problem we mentioned in our headline. The third component we need to include is educate. Once we've interrupted and engaged your prospect, we have to give them information that allows them to logically understand how and why you solve the problem they're facing. This is accomplished by giving detailed, quantifiable, specific, and revealing information. This is typically done in the body copy of your ad. When we educate, we need to reveal to your prospects the important and relevant information they need to know when making a good decision, and that your business, and yours alone, provides it to them. The interrupt and engage hit the prospect's emotional hot buttons. Educate is the logic they need to justify picking up the phone and calling you. The fourth and final component of our marketing equation is your offer. Now that we've interrupted your prospects based on the problems that are important to them, engaged by a promise of the solution, and then examined the educational information that makes your solution real and believable, the last step we need to take is to give them a low-risk way to take the next step in your sales process. We do this by offering a free marketing tool, such as a report, a brochure, perhaps a seminar, audio, or video, something that will continue to educate them. Your offer will allow your prospect to feel in control of their final decision to call and buy from you. So our marketing equation is interrupt, engage, educate, and offer, and together they equal market domination. Now here's the problem. Most marketing today only contains 2 of these components. They interrupt by throwing something at you that's either familiar, like Tiger Woods, or unusual, like monkeys and talking pets. Once they grab your attention, they make some type of offer, such as call now for whatever. They have left out the engage and educate, and marketing seldom succeeds when that happens. Thank you for taking a minute to watch this video. I want you to learn how to apply our conversion equation to your business so that you can generate all the leads your business can handle. You can request the full video and workbook, The 3 Biggest Lead Generation Mistakes Small Businesses Make and How to Avoid Them, on our website, www.akela-partners.com. But a word of warning, this video is 100% great content. No sales BS, no useless platitudes about how wonderful we are, just key fundamentals you need in order to utilize your current marketing to generate immediate cash flow. So until we speak hopefully soon, I wish you good luck and good selling.